Hey everyone, welcome back to another Windows 10 tutorial. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of customizing the icon size on your desktop and within folders. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your desktop experience. To begin with, let's focus on adjusting the icon size on your desktop. Simply right-click on any empty space where there isn't an icon. Next, navigate to the View option and you'll find various size choices. You can opt for large icons for improved readability and identification, or go for small icons if you prefer a more compact layout, providing extra room on your desktop. The default setting is medium icons, but feel free to choose the size that suits your preference. Now, let's extend this technique to folders. Imagine you're organizing files within a folder window, and you want to alter the icon sizes for a better overview. Just head over to the tabs on the top right of the folder window and click on the View tab. From there, you'll have the option to select from small icon, medium, and extra large. Experiment with the sizes to find the one that gives you the best visual experience. With extra large, you'll notice a significant increase in icon size, allowing you to easily identify the contents of different folders. For those who prefer a detailed view, there's also an option for details. This provides additional information about the file type and the date of the last modification. That's it. Now you know how to tweak the icon size both on your desktop and within folders on Windows 10. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check out the link in the description. Please subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.